Hello and welcome to 3D Printronics. In this video we will show you how to use the LCD that comes along with Oddbot Hadron. First we will introduce you to the main menus which are shown on the LCD. This here you can see, this menu shows the first menu, the temperature, the current temperature of the hot end. As of now you can see that the temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. This menu here is for the second extruder. In case if you are using a dual extruder machine, here you will see the temperature of the second hot end. Similarly, this is for the third. This menu here shows the temperature of the build plate. The current temperature of the build plate is 29 degrees. This menu shows the speed at which your print fan is rotating. Right now it is 1%, so it is not rotating. Here you can see the feed rate, that is 100%. It means that the printer is moving at 100 mm per second while printing. You can either increase the speed, you can see here, or you can also decrease it. In our other videos we will show you how you can use this variable speed controller in order to improve the quality of the prints. It is not always necessary to print at 100 mm per second or at higher speeds. In case the quality is desired, printing at slightly slower speeds will be much better. But if you are using Oddbot Hadron, you can also print at 100 mm per second or slightly more because of the stability and the better linear motions which are offered by the wheels and the aluminum slides. This here shows the memory card, and this bar here will show you the progress of the printing. Once you start printing any object, this bar will keep filling and it will show you the progress. These three coordinates will show you the x-axis position, the y-axis position and the z-axis position while printing. Now let's go inside the menu. To get inside any menu, you will have to press this knob like this. Right, now you can see that there are 4 menus here. If you want to go back to the main screen, you can just press it again, so it will take you to the main screen. Now here we have prepare. Here you will find some important menus like auto home, preheat PLA. If you will click on this, if you will press this button here, all the access will home. This is preheat PLA, that is if you want to preheat your bed or the hot end before printing, you can use any of these options. Preheat PLA bed means it will only heat the bed, whereas this, if you will select the first option, it will heat PLA, it will heat the bed and hot end both. You can set these temperatures in the Marlin firmware itself, or also in the software that you will use to host your printer with the computer. Similarly, you have preheat options for ABS as well. For ABS, the bed temperature has to be at least 110 degrees. Below that, ABS won't stick to the surface. And in this case, Oddbot Hadron is perhaps one of the best printers available in the market because the bed of this printer reaches up to 110 degrees in at least around 2 minutes flat, 2 or 3 minutes, whereas for PLA 70 degrees can be achieved in less than 1 minute. so you can print with ABS without worrying about the temperature of your heated bed, whereas the temperature for the hot end is 245 or above that, 245 or 250. Now if you'll turn this knob like this, you can go up and down in the menu. This is cool down. In case if you have used any of the preheat options and you want to cool down your extruder and hot end, you can use this option, cool down, here. Switch power off. Move axis. You can use LCD to move all your axes. Move 10 mm, 1 mm or 0.1 mm. If you click on 10 mm, you will see X or Y. If you will click on move X, and if you will rotate it like this, here you will see that it is going in the positive 10 mm, 20 mm, 0. And if you will press it like this, you will come to this menu. Similar is the case with Y axis. You can go back to the menu. If you want to move Z axis, it will only move either 1 mm or 0.1 mm. It won't move 10 mm in one go. So always, if you want to move your Z axis, you will always have to select either 1 mm or 0.1 mm. You will click it here. The extruder and both Z axis will move either 1 mm or 0.1 mm. Click on Z. If you will go in the positive direction, it will come upwards, and if you will go in the negative direction, it will go downwards. Similar is the case with extruder. If you will move it in the positive direction, it will extrude. Negative, it will take out. So this is the move axis option. Down in the control option, you will see temperature here, bed, nozzle, fan speed, auto temperature. You can set all these options if you want to. Otherwise, all these options, you can see that the preheat PLA configuration is here. You can set these temperatures. Fan speed also you can set. Otherwise, all these options are already pre-configured in these printers and you don't need to worry about them. But since this is an open source printer, you can do whatever you wish to. These are various motion settings which I would advise you not to touch. This is the LCD contrast setting which you can increase or decrease to improve the contrast. So this is all what we have in control, and here it is showing no SD card. You can use this LCD for standalone printing as slice your files in the computer using any of the software, and then you can load your files into the memory card, and then you can insert the memory card into this slot which is given here. Once this is inserted into this LCD, you will no longer need to connect your printer to your laptop or PC. You can see it will show you card inserted, and once you will click on this menu, it will show you print from SD if the card is inserted. Now if you will click here, you will see various files which are listed here. So you can click on any of the files and the printing will start immediately. So this was a small introduction to the full graphic LCD that is supplied along with Oddbot Hadron. In case you have any doubts or queries, you can always get to us and we will be more than happy to help you. Please keep watching this space for more upcoming videos of Oddbot and other products from 3D Printronics. Thank you very much.